Hello everybody, look at this beautiful place. This is a Finnish forest. This is Nuuksio, where people usually come here for jogging, running, enjoying the Finnish nature. It's such an amazing place and the weather is so beautiful. And I'm here just to relax today and also to take the opportunity to reply a question from one of the followers. He just asked me why the T cells from animals or different sources like rabbits or mice, let's say animals, cannot be compatible with the T cells of the human body. Because if the T cells could be compatible, we could literally in the lab or in different circumstances, we could raise immune response against whatever we want and just transfer these T cells to the human body. It would be so easy, but they are not compatible. We cannot do that. And the reason why is this. All the cells of our body, they have a signature, and this signature is consistent. It doesn't change. It's the same signature in all the cells of our body. It's the same of a mouse, for example. The mouse or an elephant, they have a different kind of signature in their cells, okay? And this signature is in the surface of the cell. A biological term for this signature is major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. The MHC is able to induce or elicit an immune response. So our T cells, at some point of our development, they are trained, they are educated to tolerate and never react against our own signatures or our own MHC, right? That's why, for example, a T cell from a mouse could never be transferred to our human bodies because this T cell would recognize our MHC or our signatures as something completely weird, and they would fight against our tissues, right? So that's the reason why. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you have more questions, don't hesitate to post it in the comments below, and don't forget to enjoy the weather. It's beautiful. Bye bye.